Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. No, y'all don't see me, but I just wanted to share with y'all today my quick and easy baked macaroni and cheese recipe. This video was highly requested by my niece Alicia Nicole, so shout out to you, Alicia. And this video was also requested by my big sister Shirley. Shout out to you too. So I just want to do a quick clip showing y'all what I use. So I use 3 bags of the Kraft sharp cheddar. You would need 1 cup of, I just use whole milk, y'all. I know a lot of people use pet milk, but I use whole milk. I mean, it still tastes good. Yeah, 1 cup. About a ½ teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a ½ a stick of butter, which is about 1/3 cup, 1 cup of flour, sour cream, and guess what? Yep, you see it. I use the deluxe macaroni and cheese original cheddar. I know a lot of people just use the, just the elbow noodles by themselves, but me and my family like it this way. Okay, so stay tuned for the cooking show. All right, y'all, so I've boiled the noodles and drained them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything in the pot that I boiled the noodles in. So first I'm gonna start off, the 2 packs in the box of the deluxe macaroni and cheese. They give you the little cheese sauce packets. So I'm gonna go ahead and add both of those first. And yeah, I'm recording this way because it's just easier for me. I don't have a cameraman right now, so this way was just easier for me. But I will do some videos with me actually in them cooking when I get a better setup. So this is the best I can do for now, y'all. And, well, unless I'm sitting down at the table like I did with the deluxe sauce. Alright, so I've added that. Let me go ahead and give that a stir. Okay. I'm gonna try not to smack my lips too much, y'all, since I'm not eating. But every time I smack, I get a point. Okay. Mix that in good. Alright, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in this 1/3 cup of butter. I probably should have chopped it up so it can melt easier, but we'll get it. Oh yeah, I left it out so it's softened some. So I stir that on in there. And yeah, I use Lando Lakes. I just think it's real butter and it's pretty good. So that's what I use. Lando Lakes, and this is unsalted. So stir that until the butter is melted nice and good. Ooh, my hand getting tired from stirring. Okay. Alright, I think that's mixed in pretty good. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and add the what is this? The ½ a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a stir. Now this is so easy and quick. Well, it's quick and easy, and I mean it tastes pretty good. It It really does. Like during the holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas, like all my family looks forward to my baked mac and cheese. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 bags of the Kraft sharp cheddar. And I like to use the thick shreds. Some of them come finely shredded. I like to use the thick shred. So that's 1 bag. I'm adding. Let me give that a stir. Make sure I'm recording. Okay. That is there. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the 2nd bag. Now I do have a 3rd bag, but I'm gonna save that for the top. Now I'm adding the 2nd bag. Stir that in. I mean, what's baked macaroni and cheese without the cheese, right? Alright. It's looking a little dry right now. It'll loosen up once I add the and then, you know, the cheese gonna melt down. Alright. So, now y'all, I have a 1/2 cup of flour. I may not necessarily use the 1/2 cup. Let me start off with a 1/4 cup first. Because I don't use eggs, so I have to use something to kind of bind it together. So this is a 1/4 cup of flour. So let's start with that first, and I can add more if I need it. And I'm gonna go ahead. This is the 1 cup of milk. I don't know if I'm gonna need this whole cup of milk. Let's see. That's about a 1/4 cup. So let me stir that in. Let's see if I can need more. That milk loosens it up and talk around. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more flour and the rest of the milk. Okay, that was my whole cup of milk. I would say I probably used a 1/4 cup of the flour instead of 1/2 cup. Stir it until it's nice and creamy. Y'all see how quick and easy this was? I only have 1 more ingredient. Alright. And the last ingredient, I didn't say a measurement. It's the sour cream. I'm just gonna add a dollop. I'm gonna add a dollop of daisy, y'all. A little dollop of daisy won't hurt nothing. So let's see. I would say that's about what y'all think? Maybe about I don't know. Put a dollop of daisy and stir that in. Okay. Oh, my hand. Alright. I think that's everything. Okay, y'all. So now nice and good. Alright, so now let me get my dish and
it to the baking dish.
Now, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the baking dish. Gotta get all my cheese out. I need all of that, y'all. I need all of that. Okay. All right. Spread it. Give it a good even spread. Oh, I forgot to turn the oven on, y'all. Let me go ahead and turn this oven on. I would probably say bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes, and then I probably will cover it up and bake it for about 25 minutes covered with aluminum foil, and then I will probably uncover it and put it on broil for maybe about, well, you know, when it's on broil, you gotta stand there and watch it, until the cheese is like golden brown on top. Okay, don't that look good? Okay. Now, this is the last bag of cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and spread that across the top. I might not use the whole bag. We'll see. We shall see. Minutes covered in aluminum foil, and I'm gonna uncover it and put it on broil and just stand there watching until the cheese